Akwa babiem emfamra Mpensenpensenmu dwumadi so on Badwam wo Adom TV so bra so se ne abadwafo betena se na yedi enkomo ne ekoso ye me fa na sekese enkoma Franco Trading Enterprise makacho se phone de ope baabi e beche ede ama na ne bo fomo a ye papa Franco nko na ton phone ye papa ono to free baabi ye phones no ankasa de da ewom eno no papa Franco no nko enkwanche nkoto phones beton ma okọ baabi a ye phone no say ye iPhone say Samsung say Nokia okọ baabi a ye nankasa no akwakotu e de abasana be asemba ona so de kobaka onya issue papa Franco eno no the phone so de usomotim sampa waso phone papa emu se patcho air condition a wop makacho say nansen ECG for atoto won kanea ewom ti ama kanea bo akosoro papa so beto air condition na actually ye e de amount na entwen kana bebra eye Franco air conditioner mekanfo e de amount hwehwemo ewo enkran tema ena kumase miamia wodo bebro kwa benya omobie na phrase 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie eno safari tissue enso eni there be medical card o tissue adbe pound sam ama nsanwo aye nwan o be pound fifre ama nsusamu fre ni yie e de free woni mu a eye safari tissue na mekanfo de amount on ketenkete ni bi to be fashion botom and COVID-19 ti obi ejai handkerchief use because all the handkerchief people wonim na de show botom SRF woni mu a yare na oyi free woni na asade ko etu hia safari tissue na people wonim wi a wato atwe na de foforo enso asa pepa ne bo elfom pa dwama nso be bia beko bia no onsa ebeka bi ato richoko me se no na ye no manopai bubo bi na ye fine na ye kama se bi obi e show beka se pa na nse do kala tos yaka se koko ena ye di ye richoko eno na ye dom sa zest consort enso enie but wo ni so de hu se person tu kwan ko amono ne ko sua ade o per scholarship de akwa ko sua ade se ye IELTS GR na fe S8 na person otwere also ko zest consort o makache o mko na betimi aboa amana wie peye e de no matter romenti Ghana de share over 2000 enenya kwanya o mu sua ade e wo UK ni US e bi kusukuta scholarship eno na nchen wo fie ya woton ana pese oto efie bi o pese oto japade bi ana wo japade bi a woton zest consort se e wo 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 mbeko na so yasene ebe de Mpensenpensenmu dwumadi eto aso ama wo Badwam wo Adom TV so very good morning to we be wonya bre na wo hwe ne anopa abejafo atenase Alfred Thompson a member of the NPP National Communications Team Sir Jonathan Kwaku Boy a former Sir Anthony Media Jonathan Sir Anthony Kwaku Boy a former National Deputy Communications Officer Nema NDC how you go everybody
Yami Adom. Yeah, sorry, dear, na yadanyami ase.
We
thank God for all that He gives.
Chemistry teacher.
Bra, na ho ye de.
Boko na so e.
Patom na ho ye pa.
Koku hu ye na ye fediko.
O be na de.
Okay.
We are so sure.
Nanado aban papa. Ina ema no ho ye fe no. Because time na aban was na no ho ye fe sa.
Oyi medical free adwuma.
Na wo ho ye fe sa. Sesi ade ho ye fe.
Na mo yi me.
En ka no kre. Ho ye fe etwa yiye ma o.
Pacho yo.
Weku Anthony say akokosa
enka na ho.
Okay.
Second coup d'etat. And now we a third coup d'etat.
And na ho de nim de. Na ye no mu bi de te ba bia yeti.
Okay.
So
on the 13th of May 2023, NDC Kwabato Swakoyi parliamentary candidate and presidential aspirant.
H10 week.
The candidate no.
Na wunjina.
O candidate ni president man.
They be wait me jina MP bia.
They be
parliamentary candidate.
Santa region just so many nyen your parliamentary.
Ah obekwa adwiso.
Eyo na edujama your parliamentary candidate ho.
Okay.
Nti emre we de omo ye ta ho mochi.
Okay.
Candidate who order than MPs.
Your candidate omo vie for. Na ye bon pai.
That's also bet me no.
They be emre ni nyen ro.
Alfred.
Emre ni do so na nyame na aka se menko gina MP a. Meko but see them ni nyen ro.
Okay. Alfred boko there.
Yami Adom chia Central Region for especially me chairman Kutin. And a K-post for especially.
Yes, what about K-post?
They be me call regional chairman.
But we don't call regional chairman. We talk MP.
One say.
That matter not from him.
NDC for Mpensenpensenmu PPM maybe.
Na ko say the peti abusa de.
Na me busa no ntina me
Say me busa ne say oko MP ni na o sheda say. Yes.
Emna pa ho say me dem come pick form to my never.
Yes, bring up man pick form.
Mu de nya no so.
Man pick form.
Okay.
Who best sponsor me na?
Central region bi
Tema Kuti
O she ho pa. O she ho.
Ekwa usi so.
Obo ejuma yi.
Ekwa usi wo.
Ekwa usi so for ho. Ono so wo ho pa.
Ayi mo secretary madam for.
Kubua.
Wana no.
Mo regional secretary.
Oh, okay. Richard.
Techi.
Oh, okay.
Madam for pa ne student politics.
Better say Kubua. Former Deputy National Communications Officer the NDC Abigona Alfred Thompson. As a member of the MPP National Communications team. But starting from here, last week on a same day, Kayaka asked me about Tema Oil Refinery by a jai aso jano in Sensa. Niena esati akuma say good for oil ya government di free abrochiri amanone ebano. Ye de ko bust no mo tank farm ma ni akutwe skadi ama private BDCs no mo keep di ama ye. Ye ka ho asemo a Wednesday ne nyane Tuesday ne nyane tie se aba ne hye egu akwam se the next good for oil na eba no omri bi eba Tema Oil Refinery ya sutu anamo ekwampa ye kware ko na tanks enketu ano yem se ayema kora wi anesa ama akese na nom so mo filam na dru be say 16 feet and as of that time and every one nwumre no mo dru almost be say 10 feet you believe say by this time there ayema and it's a good cause at the mayanti anopai ye bo the energy minister ene nimpenfo abaso sampa omotu sana man 2 Tema Oil Refinery the second of Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo omo refinery crude da ye coin so ye nyane tie ese crude enche eba your barber refinery and believe say there's something we need to also commend government. We're also looking for some power send a good for oil then I book through no crude and so yate no e be go through sana challenges be won't be and it's me resolve it but we are still saying to the workers dan chise ampanifo e wo mde bua amya revive Tema Oil Refinery no it also need their collaboration. This issue of say tough for nankasa be ye kanka for themselves no should be a thing of the past. Alfred
yo me da say say asem ba kwa etwema say ye ka ho briefly and sana me share we say because Dr. Matthew Pokuprempe why juma pa but Nancy is it press freedom day. When was the last week or baby?
This week.
This week
World Press Freedom Day.
World Press Freedom Day that day, you know. Yeah. And NDC former deputy communication officer war your friend saying Dagbon.
Yeah.
Or attack Sadiq Gariba of Dagbon FM. And they should be condemned in no uncertain terms. Yeah. Idea and say promote. We are all trying to put forth and make sure say my friend say more media for me to make us fine. Yeah. You are safe, you are secured near there. And I expect say Kwekuba here start here at least or be condemn the officer because he is a former deputy communication director. Yeah. On condemning the officer for what he did, this former officer. And we should condemn all this method of violence. Who started say we preach violence? Say most in GMA say NDC they are noted for violence near there, so they can do what they want. Now no. You promote such culture, which is not good for our media freedom. And you see, when our media comes down, then you come and blame the government. But these are little snipers. Media freedom, echo form. Yeah. Until I'll condemn it in no uncertain terms, and I expect my brother to do same. Okay. I know he's a good guy and he will do that. Okay. Maybe Franco, Franco knows why. I think you people have done a very good job. I mean, expect to say media, some of these things, because sometimes what is true, they come and tell you different things, and if you are not careful, and if you don't hear some of the things that walk ground there, you'll be mistaken, or you'll be a few hydrogen, so say the ecosono. Inti say Mukayana, Dr. Matthew Pokuprempe, won't say on the or a doer. Shamusi Obeshare, free SHS, or Dane no, free SHS, Gina, and Ansonia, dear. The whole way Austria Education Ministry am and yet na hey my friends and the famoko the Fiamo committee mo joy say all praises say the way ultimately lobby monya schools are ACC girls dormitory, ACC boys dormitory, educational in Woko constituency it's A1 but no the campaign. Say this government helps whether you are in the government or not, you know, on be making sure some be bow my way so because we need to develop this country. It's not about me, it's not about Obi Oteo, it's not about Nanado. Nanado thinks about the whole nation. And so I keep on saying that well, you can condemn me now because you think your economic woes, but the nation that he's holding is the papa of the nation.
Yeah. And
the first thing he thinks about is this country. How well he can put the country in the best Tema Oil Refinery problem started by I think from Rollins time to now he started to say it's Tema Oil Refinery Nancy Ampo say issue being put by him say until I will bore a workers no he say almost say crude I had a company na pepe na bi mu yira ani ade which was a problem but upon when you know they've still given them a chance. Say, listen, let's turn that place around. Gradually, you know, when we all start working towards this now, we will say the whole thing will turn around.
Sure.
This is a government you need. A government that thinks outside the box, a government that works outside his confines to make sure, say, at the end of it all, no, or yet at the end, my ye. And it's been going on and on and on. And that is why we keep on saying, say, listen, there are global challenges now, economically. There are global challenges. But we will not sit down and say because of global challenges, because IMF you see, say gradually, one day, one at a time, we 10 things around. Now, say Parliament approve 6 loans, 7 loans.
Yes, 7.
Development purposes near there. This is the government we need. This is how we need to see it. Even when you have challenges, you still sit down and you plan, you think outside the box. Now with the ejumane so that people who are at Tema Oil Refinery will not become redundant. Because they say thousands of workers will be going home.
Yeah.
What will they do? Say can say how would they get paid? Because it all comes back to taxpayers' money, the national kitty. They are paying them and they are paying them and they are paying them. Now every day because these machines, no, when you don't turn them around now, even for servicing them, even for making sure that you are buying parts to come back, and machines, it's people don't know that, but so we see Dina one cinema, the dying gets bad, it goes bad, and before I go to me, I say we have huge innovation. Renovation also it is a wusi dying for floor. Worse than wusi dying for floor. When these machines are not working, and we have to go and turn them around, who is going to do it?
Sure.
This is a best and a good initiative. Nyamisha Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, aka Napo. Nyamisha Nanado for Ijumapa, and we believe that the future is bright for Napo. We will support him fully for that, for whatever he wants. Baby, I wouldn't we prove your chair and say, baby, I wouldn't he stands tall there, and we trust him, and we know that he's going to deliver the oil sector, the crude sector for us.
Okay.
Maybe we know when we say the Adom some po say nsuo mpo to ahun say yendum kanea pp. First be na nsuo to na kanea call off. Na kanea call but Matthew Poku Prempe oba no. All these things have turned around. Nyame nhia no. No krum ni so ndimi so obeka
Anthony Kwaku why?
There was a pay
say obeka
yeah here for na mentia menia Brianest.
Say yeah fro Anthony nti wo so wo frame Ernest. Me Alfred.
It's Alfred Thompson.
Hey.
Na mentia omampani John Taman Mahama. And the company
we trip.
Oh yeah. So north and we.
Okay.
Na
Jabwa kono so
echina week. Na yetumi awie. Na yato aba. Na waba be DNDC anim.
Okay.
Na wafa ne ntoma pa efra. Okay. Ye support omampani John Taman Mahama de. Ye wogidie ewonimu. Na ye wogidie say party delegates so ebe yi o makomam omo shodo na watumi abidi NDC anim na wajitu because Ghana for to frɛ na ebe ya sisu Ghana for so yen so yenti o mu so frɛ na yenye o makoma so ade mo ye menyo man no nsi ba bia na o man ne sitie na amnemu ayeto na no ebe yi atokoko so na Ghana afa ne ntoma pefra
okay
echia ende se mpanimfo nyina ana ohun ya menwanwa kakra
ade
na medi ohun ya wo se yedi dwumadi ama obi ya man responsibility na wa faili wefully na wote ha na wo bona baso ade na etoda mama ye bresa mama mayofo breo
ade koko
se Tema Oil Refinery gu enye dwuma sisa dan warehouse na warehouse no so dan no ankura koto oil fabo chire ba no tanks na wo ho no de begum ana ban ti mo dinti workers near demonstrations say dwuma bia nkoso ho na ban so kokoto oil fabo chire wo so koto bi ba se wo so koto bi ba dia ese oil na e tanks na wo ho no wonto di bibegum ma yen ankura do mu di egum no na so di egum bi ba na ban ti mo dinti ono apɛ the companies were outside aw ko fefra ma no ba no da begum agye hu sikadi na we kese asɔre aka kyerɛ sa baba wotiri mu odin ono Mahmoud ba umia eno ti sa tanks ne gu ono e yo mine ne dia
okay
so di begum e benye sika ankura de no mu di begum no e ko mu botum ba ye de yo mine na adia ye na wotu ayeka enti fa begu ye tanks no because it's torn and you may be machines in a go as I say. That's what that's sorry and that's about Kubia Baby Gumwa. What here, Bo Mabaso? I don't know what I don't know what I had and then there's a. I'm in Tomasio. Word freedom day, sort of media freedom day, as I then. Word freedom day, sort of and comfort catch them. Yeah. Oh, my bread.
Okay, boy, now you boom.
It's a amanfo e de free ho e de waje ya bomu ana se penin aya
e de waje ditimo den adom boni sika wase no ho awodi kogu wonu ankata the tanks mo magigi hu sika die no ada na no de wonka
ye ka won say about private BDC say di egu omutage na ban e jade akogu aban ankasa tank mo
nu aye dai
ntimi enkomende aba
afei de katata afei de aban wo ya de pa afei de nyansa na eba adwon papa eba
etimi emo na baso
do aye dai so minor de to protect no wanye afei de wo person ye nti emo abato o responsibility no as a president
but nyimo na msisi bo nipa na baso and so ye
wonya hwe e de an waje wadwuma etesa wo ye waje ya to ho wonye na afei wo ye adwuma no ye ti ko school wo ti wo ko school what na fie saa na afei wo hu nyanta se wo ko school a osi emu abaso ta free de wo hu nyanta se wo ko school
at least one can say on ti obia at least
mama ye bread mama ye bread do ama mo tantan we
o ye adwuma one can say yen ti obia
pacho o kata na mamem
every myself
nti membe me
pacho tam ni so so enti edi ade na ban na ye do no amount of money a say e wo to na ye adwuma Emma workers, in your Juma engineers, who are the last 2 weeks. Engineers who were demonstrating so much in Pocre retarded. The cast of graduate retarded, the knowledge in our one, I won't use in the year, no, and say. Now, engineers who are graduate retarded. Omunya Juma beam.
Why you tell me?
I don't know demonstrating say, I bind them at all in your Juma.
Okay.
Torn crying in your Juma. Tanks o ha edo ida be gu abra nkwankwa bia tumi de tank edo yi ni bi kokum no e na ababo na baso tanks ye gu ho nkwankwa bia akoto ne oil ba odi begum ban ne to ndo mfa begum wa bie wono nkwan company odi bi gum ton die eje ho fa so die no eno ne nde wo hu tse odi bi kogun a o bo na bato a ada na mom ya bresa eje na akufo ado wan tete apo no ana wo se wo man no man na sai tan odi ye hwe nyi to engineers who say enya dwuma machine se ho nyina I oscillate o de awie ko ho enre ya na omo so mo ba ba boa amana sa ba ye dwuma o be bo na bato wa boa o ka te commander sugar factory within 6 months ba ye dwuma influence ne ya dwuma
o nya no ya ka say we are looking forward say o do se ba yo
masa and we looking forward to what ba ye ade wa hu bi pen no and what catch obey.
Say obey and as when you incident you were having.
Didn't go to Bonabaso. Don't say that.
We are sure.
Yes. What's obey? Or catch a commander to have a 20 year and can't say, on to me yet. I'm not in that here. If you see anyway, I think you're not. We know Tian was every constituency be but Baumian and I say, I'm the $1 million back.
It wouldn't say, or make me a
would you one about me, I do money.
It wouldn't
papa. Who to win? For you could find the bomb media. Oh, baby, one. I get here. And about me, I can't for a China when it's a baby to a neighbor. Sando Hydro. Omudi Baya Quine near my baby. Tikan, Tikan, don't do one and had a ketua. Tikana,
send them do.
Uncle Shomo Airport. No more to Sunset Tonium. We are media war. We are press conference. I can second. Who's going to say no? Tikanaba. And so, yeah. Unkasani Maui. Idea will be which a wishful thinking. What I say? The old car and our become a wishful or wish it. Think to be by the woman needs some knowledge. You know what you're saying, man.
Who so mine?
Men may say, oh, mine. Be a dear Kunyasa, sir. About me and the crew them before. Almost pains you. And dear go no by a soul castle by one village, one down one hour. What to me? And not here, I'm not to Daba. A bow mochi. Some will not say, or might say Ghana. To what the Ghana in ye. What's your bow about? I don't know your dresser. When I'm more man and Kosu.
Are you saying that say a penny for so ya dear near come?
Again, why, yeah,
no more your necessary. In it,
why, yeah, again, why, yeah, talk about it. Why are they?
Say at first near 2 years, good baby, ACA FM war and crankra tanks him. Ya bo aka once man penny for as a son, Eddie about good baby or say the egua, and yet you just say bomb basso.
See, that's all catch on tell me doing so many to get so many.
Okay,
that's all basso. And every car say, and collating yes. I could go for a crabby button. And that's all general. Wako, my catcher say, oh, as the NTBR. To Baba Yajuma. Now what Tiana Bomavas, and also wishful thinking. You catch a wishful thinking. What she say, be to me, ye, and you white journey. And you new dear, what you say, be bien war, as a side not to me effective.
So you dear,
news you talk.
Okay. And
I would just say, Sadia never. Sadia, Mamu, we, and be no more ye. Namebois, as you to Gusua. And no, anyhow, and I'm cast a 3 months' time I am a fuba. 3 months' time I am a fuba. The last year, I am a mebois. Oh, ever at the end of the year, last year, ever. Oh, by me, April, and me, I'm got a match. By April, you see, and I'm
see, you come May 29.
Meeting the Crescent Conquer. Now, for matter quite a bit, beats a bit. Now, if you say, Mona moment people for tomorrow, more dead. One person will be my knee.
We're sure.
Some bomb mochi. To some more say Ghana, the affiliate. Now, to me sit up. No more yet, you might think a Ghana. Okay. You know what I say? Share unemployment rate a woman. I'm not telling my baby in your money. Follow my dish of bottom. Me no tea. Share ensure I say no, and I'm galam say home. Me no tea. As I say, I say no. I will galam say when people for boys they go no mutu. Yes, I should have for that political for go no mutu. Next and come out. Because I mean, Yakaka, we need you know. The Kakao Nasa say, crown idea, you will buy. And so, the Paka Crabby, good mafia for a 2D near Jenko for excavators. Ye your man gapadia. And no, and that's the thing.
Okay.
Yes, it will be a responsibility. Say, it's a set times you go. What would you say to the Tans they go, you know, Tema Oil Refinery.
Say for storage.
Nice for storage, not on from Kugum. Not when we answer the Kuguma. What's your mobile?
Say Anthony Kwakuboy.
Master, there's not okay.
I'm sure. Average. Ghana Statistical Service.
Say, okay, and you might be a say, may respond to.
And we've been a woman
government in power. I say, I can. Well, Nyansania, Obia, Wakasa Otie. Yanseni, Obia, Wakasa Otie. And your Obia, Wakasa, Obekotoho, Asa Achio. Now I catch you say, Yen Obia. nyanseni obi a se bibi kɔ na enko yie na wo kan obekɔ intem akɔhwɛ e de ato yie nye obi a se wo kan asɛm na ebia opese oyeye ompo ana bibi eno ye mfɛ ne nyanseni nye obi a ɔka se emfa no ho nye obi obeka che o se ye di enam na ewie na aka dompe nye obi obeka che o se afia me kɔtena ase a me nya hwen ye no me sua nyansa enti wo de ma me biom na me ba be ye nyama ye wo ye den na wo sua lessons ben na wo sua in opposition. What did you learn? But this is someone this is a government that you can say a listening government. Na eno na wo bom abaso a eyo omoya no. A government wo come bia ohwe no ogie hu adwuma na ode to hoye. Okay, say Nanado can say you should be citizens and not spectators. Yeah. We are citizen na ade na ye wo bo na abaso say oh napo why ade because obi wo ho a ye kan po na ontie yen. Your time no mpo na munya your friend say crude no be mpo aka mambo de BAC. When we are taking over power, there was no crude for you to even store some. There was no crude. We had to turn things around. Sana ya dani na ma ene to be kotobi na BCA but to me supply. That is why those tanks were empty in their time. Because omo ni bi mpo esi. But ye to me aye saade na Ghana fu wo bot na baso ma Ghana fu ehu adwuma oya wotina ha na wo kan say den na ye den nyansa na ewo we. Okay, ye bibia ye ndwen daache ho. If someone takes a mile, at least ye mpo na baso no ye no double. Na po why ya de nyame nhraw. Wa che say wo ye penimpa. Wa che say ye ma wadwuma wutumi som ye.
We waste.
Na ni basefo e de omo tumi mba no mo be ye hwe.
Na po you waste.
Right now na ye fa komando so bedwam.
I can alternative by
yes, I'm a kwaba biem na fa Mpensenpensenmu jubedi ejo aso Adom TV. For comments egu your Facebook page wonum. Says she Adom TV neja comments we beje ya kenkan e de amount. Kwakwa me sha say free wonum. Ghana Statistical Service on unemployment. What ye mem see e kase si nipa be 1.7 million unemployed. Offer ema 4 emu 3 enye adwuma ba ko pe na ye adwuma.
Cry them to my charitable to abine. My charitable. Statistical service, boss, 1 hour point. One penny on. Okay. And twice we charitable to the party. And then abine. Oh, no, Debbie. What's why MPP? One ever point in this in its own quarter. Oh, Debbie. Papa MPP. Me name so MPP. Me na make catch up for MPP.
You can't be a member of MPP. One not an MPP.
Is it because
they be appointed me some quarter now? Oh. There be me buta to kokuwa be appointment.
You can't be a member of MPP.
Or you can't be a member of MPP.
No catch it.
But you can't be a member of NDC.
Huh?
Would make card.
One appointed no.
There be is it because an appointment
or appointed this in his own quarter now.
Ekufado appointed OSP.
Justice Kwesi and MPP ni. Chief Justice.
Why you constituency secretary?
Chief Justice.
Yes.
Hey.
And I know one. They know one of a voter again.
Massa.
By do check.
Shall can you? And they can hold you on. And them sorry.
Onye Chief Justice.
That's why
Onye Chief Justice.
Am I MPP?
Onye Chief Justice.
And to me,
shall I say no NDC ni?
Me name so
yeah, beside question. I know they won him.
But
the president appointed at that time.
The catcher was say,
oh, David,
sir, Papa, we
go sir.
Professor, no, why charitable to MPP? We was say ma 3
yeah,
2 year juma.
The baby, we ma for 3 na year juma ba ko pe na year juma.
Ba ko pe na year juma. 4 ni nyina akora year juma.
But I'm for issue no ho.
Enya no kre. That means we 10 emu 3 year juma.
Yeah.
We 20 emu be 6 year juma.
Yeah.
Ghana. Fan trasa how no aka no wa compress no. Ninti everyone ni so.
Eti bi emu ma.
On fa to yi nipa 100 da. E ma 100 da.
Okay.
E bi nipa be 50 year juma. Ko de okay. Be na analysis na woman. That means yi nipa e ma 100 da. Nipa be 35 year juma.
Yeah.
Tan to memwa. correct nurse for we 2019 nurse most of them yema imposed to nurse for 2020 yan call home mom year 2021 2022 mom be 2020 yan call home nti that's not okay that's not working when ya ana assistant physician quite demonstration last week want doctors quite demonstration imposed to home last year I did see last week yeah
ko figures na wonyi ni ana
figures ni menyi ni to purchase 1.8 enipa 30 million no enipa 1.8 pe na nya mo Ghana baby we
30 million ni nyina nye
aban pay rule so aban the pay rule so enipa wo so awotu oboka enu 800,000
yeah
so me say
yeah around 600 700,000
it is enu 800,000 private sector say na befa
say private sector they be a fa chen
and I'm thinking the private sector craft for 2 billion and not 3 million now omo attain at the age of 18 and above any number 17 million to 18 million
okay now
how do we justify say enipa 1.6 na nya juma
okay so for example a man dey any say ye wo ma omuye bojua so ene kura online kura sa abai e ma bi ton ade wo online maybe say one hu nipa ne say
wo bi
oh yeah
most of them na wo online nyina edupu nkofo most aje kakra bi na unti to bi aka twa so oto ade oto TV online what say this kana kwa na mane mai unti bi da unti to bi so oto ade online what say this kana kwa na say kura na ifo kura be ka kire say cyber crime for na be ka kire say wi hu ye what say man unti am be ka we that on say ya e ba na no so no woni because na mai no tan o ma ne ma nyina ate ntino obi tata na nyina ate ho na be pa kire no nkofo ye online agi no kura ofo ewo social media no no ogia se 20 cities na bagia na 70 de nkofo be bredu po de no e de adwuma ko ka chi kore ene ma mu tantanti onim pa na kofa ne ma e be ton wo ka omu nyina table no ma butubutu no okọ ka chi ate
drug lane
yeah they catch nyet baby ton road
okay
on so one ton sade ni tomato table
top for no
ko ho
ya cut table ni nyina gu
for most of them ko agu stores no be bregu na we ya me si uni ha an ye nua no yi niam a port minister of finance be ka say duty omunya no ho no ekofom if you say omutumi nyi containers dodo no mu yi no say omutumi nyi bi unte it is a containers na ko form a nyango fo adwuma na egu ntu no mutumi nko fa nema nema uni hana nansen ya sa importers and exporters no ameka sa first no mutumi containers 500 say take no mutumi nyi ebe na meka sa asem we akwasi ana mutumi ni di osu hunu de me patche na wo ba wonum eni o ma we technical things eni ma nkete ate o enko fo adwuma egu ko fo titemu ko form wagu banks more than 300 to 400 banks and savings and loan so ba ku bia kwa na fa nipa 5 wa calculate nipa do do tipu wa mo demand
banks 400
microfinance ne microfinance ne savings and loan the banks ne bomo na nko be 400 no mgu no mebwa
banks 400
me see savings and loan microfinance and banks
what's a banks 400
there be me say na ni nyina bank okwa kurase a savings and loan ni microfinance you can nyina bank mebwa
Etuka savings and loans.
Omugu almost 400. Yes.
And securities for
banks and security here and then banks the omugu banks am say 8 as I say.
Yeah.
And omugu savings and loan about 385.
Okay.
So ba ku bia akora na fa nipa 5 wa. Calculate nipa do ye yomo.
I say nyomu nyina na etifese.
Papa adwuma mo.
O by be 8 million.
What create adwuma ma wo mo?
For example, banks.
And for one nka, one who say ye na dia wanya adwuma foforo ye.
O banks no mo kabo.
Chire me bi, one ye fa no.
Banks no mo kabo mo no.
Mo kabo mo na ye.
For example,
omo yi omo nyina de no mo ta ko fa MPP fa para check fo do nkogu ho.
Na dole wo commercial.
David kwago.
No, you Juma war a UT bank. Now do the all commercial bank.
It won't be in a dia.
Yes, we call a Kokomlemle a Unibank. Yes, a CBD. Most of ladies now say no more a tell us. Virtually say obina crowd.
One catcher.
Me Canada. Me no more. And one my bank since 2016.
One catcher.
You best one my bank since 2016.
You are joking.
You don't know no one.
You
are joking.
Me too as about me say you win na the tifie.
Nanti do na tifie no so e.
Yes, na you bet me aka no ase.
Na na America.
But the fact say you win na so tifie.
Me catch to no nipa do say nipa 5 and you wo madia.
Since what you to me say you win na wo fie. But do na wo fie.
Me ntra hanka say o munyina na yi wo madia. Me tu ni nipa do a elutu wo mo jobs. E what sa banks na egu no.
Okay.
Let's am guy. Allow TP.
Okay.
Me ti nipa do a omu elutu omo djuma
okay.
Na banks na you go no wonu nipa dodo ameka te say bank bia akora nipa 5555 kwa na yi omo dia calculate nipa dodo ye yi omo di so dem ba tell
okay
na we yi omo nyina di aba betre fia ofi say unemployment na be cost na say be kofo o create adjuma say na kofo omo djuma ye amnante awie university NSS fe nipa na o tauto ho ya fe nipa 100,000 ya fe nipa 120,000 ebi enye adwuma no ebi ware ebi awo omuma ko do school when you omodi enfim ba afi ba akokora na wo antu omoka na say yi omodi omuti kata aka wo odwene Ghana fo odwene Ghana fo nti akwasi eya mo ma ye nye hypocrite enye o Yankopon fear won't tell you. Abangwe is the worst government we have ever had in this country.
Okay.
And it is time, say, if a woman who say Ghana, ya bread and ya crack Ghana, they will do a dream.
Okay.
And we will not allow them to destroy Ghana. It is said they will not destroy Ghana, they are champions.
But I say,
because John Dramani Mama buy, you know, on say, or yet market Ghana for per business. And that's why your market, I can see it. Man kofonye bi ekoto no ma wo mebwa wanye bi watakra takra de ekoto kepkus market so ye kotokraba market wanye bi komaske GTA market
nyama
wanye bi
atamos na
mata ni nyina ye ndc atamos na ye
joma mo ye
meti joma ma na ye mam so ma kata wona kata joma ma na ye GTA market joma ma na ye asonwate market joma ma na ye tafu market joma ma na ye
takra de seko
so dem pattern no
but ask kwaku
kejeti ya
on beso besi because on if
ya your mama in the sister term na cast na yedwo won say term na obubu sa yi na mo ye ana say term na wo dwene Ghana po say bi term na aka benya ba bia pattern na ka bia lodo
mate
eno na kire say wo vision ana okosi atuabo gas say atuabo gas no scared the brain
yeah
coverage ni pay yedma wo rate nurse for doctors for hospitals I would see here, Lagos hospitals. And when I say, we'll visit that project, meaning I'll be trying to hook share a rural electrification on the buy. What the electricity cool crash? I got so much library. So library, I'll be trying to hook.
Yeah.
But what could you be saying? Now we'll be dealing with no to tell the Thompson Moya. Teacher Maya who deal bata, yeah.
Sir Anthony Koku, boy, let us say. We in the NDC are not using EIU report as yardstick to measure non-performance of this clueless government. We are focused to offer better policy alternatives that will lift up the living condition of Ghanaians. The rescue vehicle is on course to save masses from unprecedented hardship. We are going into 2024 elections with mindset of second independent of Ghana. Inshallah, JM Beba. Musa Abattoir Nedwe Ebai. NDC for ne arrogant dear. Oh, and one of Kwakubuai, Edened. Mame Adwa Kese wa Kese, anyway, Ebai. Kwakubuai talked boldly as if his government and is this something better for Ghana. Stop making noise. Ghana started spoiling from NDC's time. Regina, Enchel, Eddie also, Eddie Baye, and no.
You couldn't be Ghana.
Good morning. NPP's breaking the age agenda is possible only through Dr. Akoto Efrie, the best former Minister of Food and Agriculture. Yao Preko and anyway, Ebai.
Yao Preko, Deputy Director.
Good morning, Akwesi. I don't know why our politicians can't find ways to help solve our problems by only criticizing. Under the NDC, nurses were at home for more than 3 years without work. So Kwakubuan should stop criticizing always without alternatives. Alex Tufo Edwefi, Hamburg, Germany, and Ode Ebaja comments were such a Adom TV on Facebook. Never comments to Ebaje Yakenkan Edema. Afraid.
Pecho Alex, Monte says it was 4 years.
Okay.
We took the backlog of 4 years of nurses of these people.
Starting from when to when?
2013.
2013 to 2016.
Yeah.
You're nurse for you,
this almost they didn't.
2013
who
to 20.
They did. There's a professional unemployment association.
And you're not letting to chat.
What can me? What first? What can me? Massa. 4 years. How many employees?
So 2013 to 2016.
Yes.
Yeah, employ nurses.
And I'll give you statistics.
Okay, give me statistics.
Remember statistics. I want him to understand something. The incompetence of this government, or all canon. Yeah, the best performing, and that their best performing was the West of IS. Master, when we were coming into power, what can I say? Nurses were always at the nurses and your friends professional graduates, graduates association. That they were always striking, say inform with you. That was the brainchild of why we started the NAPCO. NAPCO are all condemned and then let me explain something to you. Yes, maybe crisis nearby and it's but at the end of it all, what happened was you look at people, you catch them say for 3 years experience, bra, for 2 years experience, bra, for 4 years experience, bra.
Okay.
No more famba, no more to me famba. In a year way, your friend say, you decided say, why don't we give these people the chance? No more experience. The strategy was they go in, work a bit, then you go out and go and look for a job. Then you have the experience card at the back of your head. To walk up, baby, I can't just say for 3 years experience and not 2 years experience, bra. Then the new set will come in. They also come and work a bit, get experience and go. So it will be like faces. Into Obia Benya experience kakra. Into Echiuko pay Juma. And yet to say but with the crisis by a global crisis of COVID,
Russia, Ukraine,
it spoiled everything. It spoiled the whole program.
Okay.
And it's really derailed us to the extent say it made unemployment for the first time under Areno go over 5%. And let me give you the statistics from 2018. Say unim most unemployment, the total population as against more workable population here in the under 2022.
Okay.
The unemployment rate is 5.2%
of our working population.
Yes, 5.2%. Okay. Now, I'm unemployed.
Okay.
Go back one step. 2021 unemployed rate near 4.7%.
A drop here.
Maybe. Well, it's better.
Yeah.
It's a better AE.
Okay.
This is the only time your unemployment rate in equal strong.
Okay.
Everything was under 5% until 2022. I equal 5.2. Or maybe let me start from the other side so that you understand it well.
Okay.
Now, when you take 2013 under NDC John Mahama, unemployment rate was 6.2%. 6.2%. 2013. 2014, 6.52% unemployment. 2015, 7%.
Where your source, Ben?
Go to Statistical Service. Google it.
Statistical Service.
No, Google it. You'll get it. On a yearly basis. Yes.
Statistical Service.
On a yearly basis.
Okay.
I did the homework.
Okay. No, I just wanted to say that
you can
be full on.
Yeah, on Statistical Service. On a yearly basis, you get a percentage rate.
Okay.
2015, 7%. Under John Mahama, 7%. That is their best performance. Unemployment in 2016, equal 5.6. That is actually their best performance, 5.6. Because social 6.2, 6.5, 7%, 5.6. Now, when you go under Nanado, the first time, now started employment, all these other things. Unemployment rate dropped to 4.22%.
Okay.
4.22. When you go in 2018, it went up a bit to 4.28% in 2018. Then you come to 2019, it came down to it went up to 4.32%.
Yeah.
2020, 4.6%.
Okay.
2021, 4.7%.
Yeah.
And the worst performance under Nanado, 2022, near 5.2%, which is even better than the best performance of NDC in 2016 at 5.6%. And him fan Obeka Chairman say we are the worst performing government.
2016 5.53%. 2016 5.53%. Maybe not
5.6.
Yeah, but I think 5.53%.
That's what I got from the distant.
One I'm away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fancy 5.3.
5.53.
5.53. That's why they rounded it up to 5.6. 5.53 and 5.6. Inti Yenfan Poll say 5.5 in Boa.
Okay.
It's worse than the better part of worst performance of 5.2%. Our worst performance is 5.2%. What now what catch and say your government cannot look after this country well. And all this happened. The rice came out of COVID, Nyama, Ukraine, AAC. So unemployment, our focus, and if you remember very well, Finance Minister can say the public sector cannot employ again. So our focus now went on the private sector. How do we empower the private sector to bring in more employment?
Okay.
How do we empower them to make sure say more employment rate, your employment rate, employing growth for no, and that was what we were focusing on. This government is of a government. I bet it's not we it was still your best employment AE was 5.6.
Okay.
Your worst under the 4-year reign of Mahama was 7%. And no Obeka say he's a better option. And now Obawa within 4 years, I'll bet you be Papa Magana for. And say fire one drink.
Okay.
Then you who say this government or the government under Mahama can never, ever do anything right.
Okay,
because on yeda.
Yes, that's it.
Onto me yeda.
Okay, yes,
who where obe faswa okotina mo na says ya who say ya expand the economy no. You know the economy has expanded.
Yeah.
All but every bring it this so because their oja no we've widened it to the extent say oba he is now going to sit down and ask, hey, now where? By the time of 4 years,
okay.
We need a continuation.
After me, clear way. In 2015, where Ministry of Health website.
Ministry of Health.
Yes.
Look at Statistical Service.
Ministry of Health.
Listen, I'm talking.
Press release. Ministry of Health recruit 4,799 nurses. And these are the breakdown.
That's 2015.
Yeah.
And to announce 2013, I'm Fenipa.
Registered midwives.
Now 2015, I'm Fenipa.
1,000 registered midwives, 1,268. Registered community nurses, 56. Registered general nurses, psychiatry, 507. Health assistant clinical, 321. Registered general nurses 2,389. Community health nurses 258. Sum up to give you 4,799.
For 2013.
Now, 2015
so far, or try 2013. We will never try 2014. Make us say in several ones. It is a one-off. Maybe. Go to 2016.
Go to 2013, I'm Fenipa.
2014. From 2013 to 2016.
Say if within a long haul, over one, over 1,000. Why are they?
Over there one.
Within a long haul, over one.
We don't need to
Oh, Masa. I didn't know why you have.
I don't talk as a
I'm on floor. No, all these statistics by, so I need to respond to it. I need to also my desire. I am ya. Well, the arrogance I can a woman.
One day I'm crying, the
arrogance, and I'll be can't say, you don't want to listen to anybody apart from yourselves. Monkwana mo nyansa. Monkwana mo and don't put a statistics in chese. But your cost statistical service of website. Na share employment rate, and tell me that I'm lying. Because they can't read. Some will say, one will say because they can't read, they don't even do their homework before coming on set. Because if Naka Omunima, Naka don't come and sit here and say and this MPP is the worst performing government when it comes to unemployment.
Because even as of 2018, you call 2019, your backlog say 8,000 year government be clear.
Thank you very much.
From 2018 if up to 20, your backlog say 8,000.
Yeah, clear. From your government.
From 2016, I have a 2018.
Yeah, but 2016, but 2017.
Well, to me, I'm employed.
Yeah, but 2017.
In 2017,
I started employee.
And I say
2017
from 2019, Bepem went to me for a net support.
Don't forget, so say.
Oh, 2019 permanent.
Yes. Well, check.
True.
2019,
even last time. Master, go and read. Go and check. Go and check.
Check it.
Now, we're checking to know.
We 2000. Carl, oh hell.
Ebi our boys. Now what catch you say now why you be good? What dey hear ya? What dey work as say our boy here.
Okay, et me that say
around me busa no a o se offer na 2019 for crafe na ya bie portal.
Say me catch you say wa bon. As well say wa portal na say we dey check. Ona check say I be work as na bon. Because if you bie portal now go and apply. Why should you say obi wo so nti mami we wo kanu. You read what say over 8,000 people were employed within 2017. Backlog. You come and employ 1,000 people. In the 4 years, we employed 1,000. In the first 2 years, we employed 8,000. 1,000 in film, 7,000 plus. Was it under us? And don't forget, say, almost time no so no. Now, almost restricted from going to nursing training because they cut the allowances. So people were not going to nursing training.
People were not going to nursing training.
Because they couldn't. They were not going. Yeah, we restored the nursing training, and it made people start going to nursing training because that was when someone who was getting their daily bread or because of the incompetence, because name ma bong into mucha nursing training allowance na reduce the number no. Into backlog na yenye was even under time mo number na reduce no na yenye buy no ye be restore na crofo start say omoba into omoba no say ye clear over 8,000 backlog and say na yaba. Into when I tell you 4 years now, I'm talking about numbers. I'm talking about the insignificance of 1,000 as compared to 8,000 plus. Those are the numbers I'm looking at. And that is what I want.
Also a bit deal with this unemployment as of
now. What we are doing is we are expanding. Once you open your economy up, you create more employment. You create the opportunity for other individuals to open health facilities, for government to expand on its health facilities near there. And it be na year agenda 111 near there. Even if you finish 10 by next year, at least it's a start. To employ some of these unemployed, And so the strategy and the idea of this government, they say, expand the economy. Now, crop down. Yeah, and crop ebiam was scam, maybe a health post be war. Yeah, say fancy aqua. Maybe a health post be in your number. And say all these people will be employed under the your friends saying under the healthcare program. They are opening other facilities, expansions of other facilities. Our focus is not just about opening, but about expanding. Facilities are that space that way. I say yeah to me expanding in you see the expansion works are other places you see what is going on. For not in what they say the whole maternity block since a jump on time. Yes, why Obian to me President Nado is doing it, and ebeye fe ewo community ho. Into all these things are air so. So when you sit down and you condemn such a government, our open mind to make sure that we solve the economic problems. And you heard Dr. Baumia, your friend said last 2 days, was it yesterday also, University of Pentecost Center, no? Or say, politics should be politics about ideas. What I'm bringing on board to solve the problems of people, but not politics about propaganda and names calling and insulting. Well, yes, I just say you don't have anything to offer.
But I say, Alfred Thompson. Your time. Why, Mr. Adam, by your time. Me and we Emranda. Okay, yes, I'm going to check but quickly, I'm Ministry of Health website BM. Ministry of Health Recruitment Portal for Nurses and Midwives, May 2023. The Ministry of Health has announced that it has received financial clearance to recruit 11,226 degree and diploma nurses and midwives who have completed their 1-year mandatory national service and are due for permanent posting to practice as professional nurses and midwives. So it means that this year you employ 11,226.
We the question on the year cry and some of our we year no we bet me.
11,000 bet me they are compared 1,000. Yeah, now 11,000. Yeah, 8,000.
Yeah, crowd bet me apply. You told me any January say no, no be to me apply.
Debbie.
It will year. Ese we ya obetumi aye
say any year bia
but I say
I employ 11,000 11,000 that's 8,000 19,000
but ya say ya mfa nurses ewo 2016 2015 and when year 2013 hwe ikuta
figures now there
ikuta minister of health omo yi omo data
okay
yeah ministry of
2019
ministry of health
yes
website
yes 2016
okay
na nurse omo population region by region
okay
Ashanti region na nurse for omo 8,572
the whole of Ashanti region
yes
as of 2016
yes okay. But 2019 the same we are 2015 in 2016
NDC page no I confusing NDC page
me see 2015
massa let's talk about something better
2015
okay
na 8,572
the whole of Ashanti region 2015
yeah.
nurses are now
in 2016 a move ko 9,182 into year day 605 in the count
for the whole of
Ashanti region
okay
over nurses bravo 2015 no population now 4,006
okay
but over 2016 4,629 into year day 574 in the count but on the pattern
okay
in total breakdown
for the whole region
the
10 regions
yes 2016 na ye were for the whole region in na 48,939
the whole Ghana
but 2016 a move to 52,605
true
okay to say that Rebecca
almost 7,000
more breakdown
2016
2016
yes almost 7,000
then this is the election
mass 52,000 makwati 48
okay so in sir ba ko nyamote
more for any data
almost 4,300
so
from 7,000 to 4,000 from 7,000 to 4,000
4,000 I'm got
7,000
4,500 almost 4,300
it's not true even the best time on employ 1,000
over 2014 and 2013
yeah
2013 the whole Ghana not net some population 2,000
it can be true
say
it's almost 50,000 Abeka next population since 2013 almost 50,000 and no move
say Anthony
what's it the whole Ghana next population was 2,000 in a movie hall, we have 52,000. Make that 2,000, oh boy.
Make 40 something thousand.
David, say, I was in the whole Ghana 2013.
Me say 2016 total ni na.
Look at 2013 total necessary.
Back 2013 then I maybe back so 2013 and I say 52,605.
Massa.
And now
sana what say
20,000 48,930. Okay. What somewhere about 4,300 and something and then the Babeka home. But over 20
Massa
over 20
yeah, over 2014
Kwakubu has nothing better to say about
2013
let's move on Richard
total we 11,000
why are you confused
11,000
say no more elections on got gather results out machine go crash more elections we gather results my machine go crash
bomb liter of fuel in Kenya is 179.16
respond to your fake data your fake data
you approve it. Yeah, so from 2013 to 2016. Figures
fake figures now they are more.
Liter of fuel in Togo is 700. That's 40 Ghana. Liter of fuel in Ghana is Liter of fuel in Ghana is 12 cedis, 49 pesos, and it's in abundance. Fact.
Kenya
We know
is in
things
short.
are hard. It's hard everywhere. NPP's government is working for us all. Francis Ansa and anyway Ebai. We say good morning. Please let Alfred understand that actual fact, because we are sick and tired of your numerous excuses today.
What excuse?
They will be like Ukraine and Russia war, blah 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 blah. Okay. Becky, don't call also Eddie Ebai. We say good morning, Akwesi. I'm watching live from Kwanta in OT region. My name is Masawood Hamza. Because it's something you, the media, has not been doing to Ghanaians. It's that from 2012 to 2016, there was no employment. Epacho, ya correct 80, and yes, sir. Kwaku boy is confused. I was say, let him rest.
Very much confused.
Mame Adwa Keswa Kese. Alfred, Yanko.
Basa, when say, when they went to their election machinery room, no, almost the figure started say almost there. Echi do ho no, almost the IT guru. No, betina ho. Nancy, almost chairman betina say kasa no. No, say. Or say, your friends, a machine, no, even Omunya 2 regions, spend a machine crash here. All the results are Omunya and on his leaked video. So, okay, IT director, almost suspected of your MPP near there. Maybe our MPP card bearer member, Momo smart. It tells you, say, these people don't know figures. See, I had almost said in the figure, we was all to Papa. So, because he didn't read before coming. When I was giving you statistics, it was flowing. Because Oko, my friend saying, statistical service website, the unemployment of NDC and the unemployment
and
of
our community of from them.
We'll share your friends saying they are already says here. Or say, almost they are in 4,000 plus can home in that time at 2013, time at almost by the whole Ghana next population 2,000 plus and
2,000.
Oh, one thing. What's a now? What's the opposite with this year, man?
We did 2030.
All my employees so much nurses. Why employing so much nurses? Not 2016 election year.
Okay.
In a necessary cost strike like no one's a business. Yeah, by no. She time I employ the nurses. We employed over 8,000 nurses. One more time, we year register stage here no. We show say we employ 8,000. That's why I said that their statistics is next to nothing. Because why educating crop over here emphasis 10,000. Now we employ 8,000 per. Have you worked? Even before, even recent, the recent, the recent,
the one that took 4,000.
Mami Kasari,
also no any deduction from
1,000.
Yeah, Esino. Say backlog here, a
backlog bay,
and then yeah, almost 5, and then available numbers.
Have you checked? It says 8,000 a crown or more can of crown. Or what to recruit to Oma?
On form.
On form way. What's it?
Even on more portal. Now he's telling us some information.
What's when 2023 no. What's here be
nothing shows
say 2013 I cannot
2023.
Yes,
almost so many account for
11,000 220.
I give to me to your net for quite to me to Omoka.
One day can next day. Well, now he's telling us to be a portal.
Monday